This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Natalie Staff. Rare Dilworth condo with a townhome feel. Updated and beautifully maintained 2-story, main level living space and bedrooms with laundry upstairs. This unit offers 2 entrances into main floor. You can access home directly from Fillmore Avenue, which is great for pets. Brand new HVAC 2020. Location is close to restaurants, Starbucks, Harris Teeter and more. Zoned for Myers Park High School. Fitness room and rooftop terrace located in adjacent building. Secured parking deck with 1 assigned parking space, P2 number 5, and additional storage unit, P1 number 4, included. Will be professionally measured this week. Current shown is tax cards HLA, photos are with previous occupants' furniture. For more information,